Hi, I'm here with Peter and Bas from Advantech. They're going to tell us a little bit about the company and also some of the technologies that they're showing here at ISE. So perhaps we could start, for the benefit of viewers who don't really know Advantech, could you give us a little introduction about what you do and the range of your products?
Absolutely. Just a quick background about Advantech. Advantech is a company coming from the industrial automation and embedded computing area. Been around since 1983. And since like 1 or 2 years, we started to go more into the AV and digital signage market. So this is a new market for Advantech as well. And the products we're developing for this market are mainly media players for digital signage and all-in-one computing solutions for interactivity. Another market we're doing is a home automation product area, which also belongs to our product group.
Excellent. In terms of the products, the player market for digital signage, one of the things that you've really championed over the last year is the Open Pluggable Specification. How important do you think it is that the industry has a standard that everyone can work to?
It's really important for the industry because at this moment it's made difficult for the end user. People don't know what they need. They need a display, they need a media player, but people don't know how to put it all together. If we have a standard like OPS, which is created by Intel and NEC in the beginning, it's very easy for manufacturers to create a standard media player that will fit into all the screens that have an OPS slot. So it's really easy for people to choose what kind of media player they need. It's a big advantage for the screen manufacturer, it's a big advantage for the media player manufacturer, and also for the end user and for the integrator who has to put it all together. There are no more compatibility issues, no more different standards, just one standard which makes it very clear and easy for everybody.
You've gone a step further here at the show. You're working with Philips Public Signage to offer effectively a bundled solution, which even takes the decision-making pain out of that. What are the advantages of that particular offering?
The advantage is that because of a good relation with Philips and MD at the moment, we can create a total bundle solution for the customer. So the customer knows that these products work together. They know that the Philips screen and our unit, they work together. We know the customer knows where they can get this bundle and can create a good price. Of course, if we bundle the solution for the end customer, we can make a total price package which allows us even to reduce the cost because we can put two products together and a special promotion. So for the end customer, it's only an advantage if we work that way.
Peter,
Yes.
Your product area, you are interested in the standalone kiosk type application.
Yeah.
Can you tell us a little bit about that market, which maybe not quite so familiar to our typical?
Okay, no problem. But actually, regarding the next step of the iService products, I think this will be relevant with our smartphone, because actually the smartphone, just like the Apple, is going to build in the NFC in the iPhone 5, and in 2013, according to research, there will be around 3 million mobile phone will be building with NFC. In 2015, 550 million smartphone will be built with NFC. Wow. Actually, the NFC is called the near field communication, and it can just work like our Visa card, MasterCard. So in the near future, you don't have to bring your Visa card, MasterCard. What you have to bring is only your cell phone. So, and you can use cell phone to do any payment or to get any service. But all the cell phones still have to connect with a hardware or a terminal to provide the service. So what I'm going to do is provide the last mile service to service all of the terminals, so service all of the peoples. Yeah, and this is the product we are ready and we are going to offer. And furthermore is regarding the service. Right now, the normal service is not sexy anymore. A unified service is not sexy anymore. What we're going to provide is the customized service, just like a cell phone. Everyone's smart cell phones, those functions inside is all different. People can download the software by the app. So all the cell phones is different, and the service will be different as well. So in the near future, and only the customized service can provide the real good quality for the customers. Yeah. So our solution, is going to provide this kind of customized service to our customer. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So in that area, as with other areas of digital signage, partnerships are quite important. Are you working with any specific providers? Any specific projects underway for that type of technology?
Regarding the signage?
Regarding the NFC type application, I mean, what is the timescale for adoption? Do you think that's a technology that's going to be around in a year's time or 5 years' time?
Actually, regarding NFC, actually it is ready at the moment. So just like a lot of cell phone, probably people don't know that. Just like Samsung cell phone, the NFC actually is brilliant already. So all the function will be wake up after Android release the next generation of operating system. That's it. So while Android release the next generation operating system, you can see that a lot of cell phones NFC function will be active. Yeah. So actually NFC is ready. Just people don't know that. Yeah. That's the reason in next year there will be around 300 million cell phones will be building the NFC function inside.
Okay.
Yeah, and our terminal has already built the NFC receiver and provide the intelligence service. To all of the customer.
Excellent.
Yeah.
One of the issues that is concerning operators of signage networks is obviously energy consumption. I mean, that's the primary cost.
Absolutely.
You're taking steps. Your latest release of a player is very much focused around energy saving. Can you tell us a bit about that?
Absolutely. We know that total cost of ownership is a big important issue in the digital signage market, especially for the end customers. We know that if you have a big signage network with hundreds or thousands of screens, the power consumption is a big thing because there's a big possibility to save lots of cost if we reduce the total power reduction from the screen to the player to all the accessories included in installation. So what we try to do as Advantech, we try to make our media players as powerful, as power efficient as possible. So because we do that by using very power efficient embedded chipsets. We don't use the standard consumer chipsets from Intel or AMD that use a lot of power, but we use the notebook technology, which is much more power efficient. Besides that, we choose all kind of power efficient features and components in our systems as well. By doing that, we allow people to, like I said before, we allow people to save on the power cost and absolutely reduce the cost of ownership. I'll mention that I think another important part related to this is in the total cost of ownership is the after service, the monitoring of systems, of digital signage systems. Where Advantech is really strong at the moment is normally in a signage solution. If a system would break down, very often you have to send an engineer to the location to check the system, what's going on with it. And we focus very much at creating solutions that people can remotely monitor the system, so they don't really have to go to the location to see, is my media player running, is the screen turned on or off, or what's going on. No, we can do that remotely. So we allow our customers to see from a remote location if the media player is online, what's the latest status, what's the health status of the system, what's the temperature, to check if the screen is turned on or off, when was the latest update done. So we try to make all kind of little tools that help the customer to reduce this total cost of ownership.